Hi everyone, in front of me I've got KODAK K12 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and after that we can open the settings. So here in this left section, let's scroll all the way down to find the system. And here let's go to the backup section. Now, our device will immediately transfer us to the sign in option. If not, just tap on turn on, which was right here. So let's tap on next, and here tap on add account. If you've got your Google account added to the device, your device will ask you, will give you the opportunity to choose it from the list. If not, you have to go through the whole process. So I'll show you the whole process right here. Your device is asking you whether you'd like to set up this tablet for your child. It's up to you. I don't want to do it, so I'll simply tap on no thanks, and I will confirm that I want to set it up for the adult or teen. Here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password. So after entering, simply tap on next. Here we've got I've got the verification. You have to ignore it. You will be just transferred to another step. So just give me a sec. So you will be transferred to this section where you can check Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Now you can decide what kind of data you'd like to backup, so photos and videos or other device data. All you have to do is to mark the specific option and then tap on confirm. I'll pick only other device data, but of course you can choose both. So let me tap on confirm. Now we can tap on other device data, so the option we've marked, I marked, and thanks to it we can open more details about our account. So we can, for example, manage the storage by removing some unnecessary files. Here we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now on this green background. You won't miss that option. Simply tap on it, and from now on your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.